In just a few seconds, I will show you how to create this plan from this into this. So first of all, open the Revit architectural template and then go to the level 3. Then you can go to the view tab and then choose the visibility graphic. So by selecting all items and then click pattern, yes, pattern under the cut column, yeah. So you can directly click this one and then choose for this one is for foreground enough, then color, yeah, selecting this gray light. I'm a big fan of this gray. Yes, just click OK. There you go.